So hi guys, this is your Vikram. Uh, Today, what is the topic we are going to talk about is backing it in on a motorcycle. So probably not like many of the people might have heard this term backing it in. So generally, what is backing it in? So it's like when the motorcycle approaches into a corner, the rider applies the front brake hard, makes the rear lighter. So what happens is the rider has to downshift to the appropriate gear for the corner exit, right? So while downshifting, what happens is back torque is applied to the rear wheel. That is also known as the engine braking. So what happens is the rear wheel is light because while hard braking, all of the weight, the rider weight, the motorcycle weight goes to the forward. So there is no little amount of weight in the rear or no more. So while you are downshifting, what happens is engine brake occurs. So the rear wheel starts to spin slower than the front wheel. So the bike is like slides, but this slide is more safer than doing slides using your rear brake. So it's more controlled while using your engine braking. So on the race tracks, most of the riders don't use their rear brake because it's not necessary, because the front brake has on the race track I'm talking about, most of the riders use like 80 to 90% of the braking on the front brake, using their front brake. So it's not it's their preference. I also mostly prefer only the front brake when I compare to the rear brake. Most of the riders will use like both the brakes like that. Engine braking is really easy to use while entering the corner or slowing down, or even in the panic braking in the normal real life conditions during while you are riding in the city, like that. So it's just downshifting and let off the clutch, let go of the clutch properly, not popping it off. So it's like that. All comes in the terms of practice, people. Yeah. So backing it is in usually like where do these techniques mostly use this in, like top track riders racing like MotoGP. You have seen Marc Marquez always uses, most of the time he uses the backing it in technique while he braking or entering into a backing it in is like the sliding the rear wheel in a controlled manner while downshifting is used in a very slow or tight corners where you will be on a straightaway like in the 6th gear, and bam, you are onto you have to like lower the downshift the gear to first or second. At that time it's used. It makes the bike already positioned for the corner exit, so it will be easier you to exit the corner. So yeah, it is like mostly the sliding technique is used in supermoto styles. Yeah, where you have seen the rider like this hanging off the bike, foot out, and then the rear just steps out of the bike, then slide, and again the rear wheel comes into the proper position straight to the front wheel. That's the term called like the backing it in, sliding, whatever you call it, whatever the term you call. That's it. So guys, that's it for today. I see you soon.